Hello friends, today's video is just a quick update of where we're at with my brother's home, and to remind everyone he's doing it debt free, saved his money over 15 years, and I'm telling you guys it is coming along. It's over 4,000 plus feet, and the last few weeks they did the garage and all this is covered now. And it's real large. It's 4 bedrooms. It's actually a 6-bedroom because 2 rooms is upstairs. So guys, tell me what you think on this. So I just came today to give you a quick update. But all of this is done and all of that is covered. So next we'll be putting the shingles on the garage. Thank y'all so much for stopping in, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye-bye from Penny.